wakho ukhuluma ngami. I understand ukuthi makhuluma ngami obviously izoba uha then wonke umuntu ondlingano bona laba bantu abakhomenta ukuthi ondlingano bayondliwa bona were they ever wondlat bazongena indaba engasiza mina ngisifake endabeni zabantu ngiyafakwa. There's a difference. So don't do that. So many times I've wanted to pay damages. So many times I've wanted to get Moses. So many times I've wanted to do the right things. You've been locking me out. And I tell you, from the time Sase jail, I would bring a coin. From the time I was locked up, I've been sending gifts to Efoslo. Every Christmas, every December, every birthday. You know what Christian's first gift was. I used to send Pablo to come and drop them off. I've got receipts to put in.
Nangu Jub is crying there by Instagram and he's saying, oh my goodness, Kelly Khumalo is making my son AI. And I'm like, AI? Guys, imagine, like the father is crying that the mother is putting a child in a bottle and then now he's turning this child into AI. Guys, kuningi in South Africa, kuningi. You know this co-parenting thing, yes, guys, but I'm gonna get to that. Good morning, my Son Nation. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Matsidi Soya. If it's your first time on this channel, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below, and share it broader and wider as we are building this beautiful, happy community this side. And guys, you are on Dear My Soul. By the way, I'm the teen that's just one solo, so I'm doing things for myself, by myself, and of course on my own. So you better congratulate me. Early in the morning, I'm supposed to go to gym, and I'm like, damn, what? I know it's Monday, and this is fresh. Let me talk about this. Who put my sweet, guys? You know, it's not a laughing matter, but you know, the way Jub tells the story, like it's supposed to be a sad story, but wakabula, because he's an entertainer, because there's an element of entertainment in it, but it's a sad story. He's crying ukuthi uKelly akafuni ukuthi abone umntwana wakhe. He first thanked uKelly for raising the child, like taking care of the child when I was locked up all this time you've been, you know, and all of that. Then he starts by saying, you go to the podcast there, because Kelly Khumalo not a long time ago, he went to L2's podcast and then he asked her, okay, you've got 3 kids. How is the co-parenting thing? Do you get child maintenance? And then he said, from who? Ubani, by useless bonk. By useless. You know, the funny part is that these are all famous guys. Yo, the better one was Senzo. Unfortunately, he passed on. When Senzo was there, he used to take care of his kids, even the kids from the other woman. Senzo was taking care of his kids, and he was even taking care of my son, who doesn't belong to him. Yeah, like I believe her. Yeah, I believe Senzo was that, because you could see he was a good guy, you know. Yeah, and then he had this thing of ufada, you know. So I don't know, Ujubs, you know. No, we end Mariano. What was he expecting? Guys, if you are dating a man, right, and you can see that you are the one who's taking care of this man, right? Agasebenzi lo muntu, you are the one who's taking care of this person, and you go ahead and have a child with this man. How are you expecting that man to be financially supportive when it comes to the child? Because you adopted this man, right? I'm not saying anything. I'm just saying, Jay. Like, right, you go ahead and have a child with someone that you are taking care of financially, and you expect them to be taking care of their child. Guys, no, it can't be. Yes, sometimes whenever we are delusional, you know. Sometimes, I don't know, we are in denial. You can see what is situation iganje, but then I am maybe he could have been taking care of that child, but maybe he doesn't have a proper job to take care of the child. but he's not a bad guy. That one I know him, and I know the guy. I know the guy very well. He's a good guy. He's a very good guy. But I think it's just the situation of affordability right now. But then when he has, he will. I tell you. And Unali the morals. We're talking about someone when he was working from, early ages, taking care of his siblings and all. He has always been like that. So I yokuthi akasupport umntwana akhe. I think I think he's also pressed, I think it's the matter of affordability right now. But I know he's a good person, and he's kind of family orientated, because judging from where he comes from and his siblings and all. So now, yeah, so Kelly must just give him grace. So when it comes to law okhalayo kuma Instagram, ubhuti Maswiti, ubaba Christian uthi, I've been sending gifts through Pablo. The problem between Kelly and Jub is that both of them, both of them, they lie a lot, except for the Christian story. Like on their own things and everything. Bane ego, baphakeme, bayithi baphakeme kakhulu, and bane ama ego wabo, like I'm bigger than you, I'm a bigger celebrity, I'm like that. Because even in relationship yabo nje from the beginning, it was all about, we are big things happening in the country, let's unite, masibabonise le South Africa ukuthi thina singayenzani. Unfortunately, the other one used the other one, because the other one couldn't take care of his finances and then was busy with izinto and then he ended up introducing the other one kule. So I understand umama's anger, because if someone introduced you to such life and he destroyed you, because Kelly had to work extremely hard to get back to where she is right now, because that guy destroyed him. Like that guy destroyed her. He actually finished her career. Like when that guy, and then she kept supporting, starting from that Mini Cooper echayisitsembana inele Mini Cooper ya Kelly, and then she spent like her time accompanying him to court cases. Allegedly, her money was also used in that. By the time this guy went to prison, Kelly was nothing. We had even forgotten about her. Because if you guys remember very well, Usenzo passed on. Kelly had just made a comeback with that song, Yeah, I Seen It. She had just made a comeback because I started about the rehab and all of that. So, guys, sometimes we need to understand when she's angry, she needs that apology also. Bazoti, she's fighting her battles using umtwana, but I kind of feel like if there is anger, like one sorry, I'm sorry, Kelly, I know I did this to you, the acknowledgement, yes, you raised my child, but I'm sorry for what I did to you. I think Kelly utla putula pelo hanyani. So again, lo putilo asina evidence ukuthi vele he's been there wanting to have his child and have a relationship with the child, guys, because that's what he says. And then the story that I'm hearing, the story that I heard yesterday of, I don't want to go through a court. Why wouldn't you want to go through a court? Yeah, because when anizwani, even you can't be in the same room and discuss the well-being yawana. So the only thing that will help you is the court. And then your excuse is that I don't want to take that route because you know that route is the only route that will work for you, but you're saying that you don't want to take. How serious are you, my brother? How serious are you? Because I remember meeting this guy years back. He was still locked up. I think a few months before he got released. And then we asked him a question, Wena umntwana, are you having a relationship? No, he still gave the same story. The same story that he's giving now is the story that he gave us like 10 years ago. Yes, that was 10 years ago. It was in 2015. And then he said, yeah, Kelly is busy returning my gifts. I've been sending Pablo there, and then he's busy returning the gifts to me, and I don't want to go through court. Because we asked them, and even today, 10 years, you're still giving the same story. How serious are you, But Maswiti? Because even though he's giving that story, ukuthi, yeah, he will go and then, park outside the child's school, hoping to see the child, da 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 da. Makakhuluma nalo mntwana, Kelly will be shouting at the kid. That's where he comes up with the term. He's turning him into AI because we are controller, shouting and all of that. She tells him to do this and not to do that, not to talk to who, something like that. So now I'm like, Booty, don't come up with excuses ukuthi wena awufuni ukuya ecourt, because uKelly naye uthi mawufuna umntwana wakho you must take me to court, and then he comes back and he says uKelly ignored, that court. Who will ignore going to court? If uyamfuna umntwana wakho uzoya la ecourt lo muntu lo, because the story doesn't make sense, it doesn't add up. It's like omunye nomunye ufuna ukutrenda ngomntwana, because now you can see he's telling this story, but there is an element yokuthi I'm promoting myself, the way he talks, the way he says, Kelly goes around, says, Jubes this, Jubes that, Jubes this, Jubes that, because it's like I'm promoting myself. You see me, I'm Jubes. When you say Jubes, they will listen. When you say Jubes, of course, you will trend, because it's about who am I, me, na new Jubes. It's not about Christian, it's about new Jubes. Who Kelly now is about me, na Kelly, because there is this narcissistic element between the two of them, and those are two people who lie a lot, because uKelly naye uthi I've tried everything, ngwana hloka masiko kimise ho ntatai ho etsaleng. So Jubes was not interested, and then happy I tried contacting the grandfather, yes, the father of Jubes, the grandfather, and then the grandfather tried, and the guy still wasn't interested. So guys, who's lying between the two of them? Who is lying? Because one of them is extremely lying, and they even believe their own lies. Because now, so there is Team Jub, and then there is Team Kelly. Come on. Wrong, okay, Kelly, ntse ke mo fa tsebenyana ubujubse ha ke mthole hantle guys, but e ka nna yaba e se le taba ya ho swaba hore now I'm a deadbeat father. Everybody knows that I'm a deadbeat father. No, I'm gonna come up with the story of she's lying, I've been trying, instead of actually trying. Maybe you get a wake-up call now where, yeah, everyone looking me funny ways where how come you're not taking care of your child? And the child is growing. I think he's 15, 16 there. So now, when swallow your pride. Guys, when it comes to issues like this, somebody has to swallow their pride. Like somebody has to be a bigger person. Like I've been in that situation. There's times where I swallowed my pride, and that person still bullshitted me and the child again. And then he came back. When he comes back, he's a bullshitter, but you still give an ear because you're saying, this is the father, but he's a liar, but you listen, but still bullshits you again. And then you come back. The reason why I will also somehow believe Kelly a little bit, because I'm in the same situation with someone who's very manipulative. If that guy can talk, I post a picture my children, and the way he appears, his posts on social media, is the advocate of children's rights, So nobody will even suspect this person is not taking care of his own child, When I'm saying taking care, I'm not even saying financially, in all ways, Even when the child say, hello, daddy, here's my report, he will say, oh, I'll come back to you. Then he will come back after 2 years, as if nothing happened. 2 freaking years, guys, So the child will be waiting for 2 years, just like that. And every time he comes back, the child will just answer, So now I'm talking about someone who moves like that and who has a platform. When there is a topic about a deadbeat father, he will be writing, compositions on Facebook there, telling people people who don't take care of their kids, But he is doing exactly the same thing, and he's even extreme. They're now extreme. So I'm not shocked If somebody comes and say, oh, I've been trying, this woman doesn't. Mina, people around me, they even kuza me for not allowing this person to do that. Everybody says, Matsiriso, why don't you block him? Matsiriso, why don't you block him from your child's phone? Because of the things that he's doing. Because someone will come, I'm going to talk to you. I'll call you in the morning. Call me when you wake up. He leaves the message at 4 a.m. after 2 years of disappearing. Then the child gets excited. Mommy, I got a message from my dad. He wants to talk to me. And then she asked me, what should I do? I'm like, it's your decision. I've got no say. It's up to you. Then the child will be saying, oh, okay, I'm available to talk. And he will say, I'm busy. Hey, I'm busy. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Then tomorrow will be 2 years again. 2 years again, guys. And then if the child tries to ask for something, would you please help me with this and this? I need this. He will say, yeah, I've got so many things to focus on right now. Maybe month end. Month end will be 3 years later. And 3 years later, he doesn't come back saying, here is that thing that you asked for. He's like, nothing happened again. And he has done fuck all nothing. So now, that's why I somehow believe Ukeli, but then Ukeli naye, she lies a lot and she keeps saying go to court, and then Ujubs naye, his story is out there. He's saying Kelly agafuni. So I don't know, guys. I don't know. But one thing I know is that Christian is cool. He knows the truth. He can see what's happening. You might come here on social media and write all the nonsense, but the child sees, because he's the one who's in this whole thing. He knows if the father is trying, to have a relationship with him, and he knows if the father is lying, So he knows if the mother is the one who's blocking the father, because now if you can put my child aside and ask her what's going on, she's even the one who says, oh, mommy, because mina nginayo lento leyo ukuthi I could block this person because he's just messing around with my daughter's emotions. But what if this time around he's telling the truth? Like, I'm that kind of a person. Every time I'm like, what if this time around he has realized his mistakes, so he's coming to correct them? So I don't know until when, because I get angry the moment I realize that he's doing the very same thing again. It's been 13 years. I'm like angry. I'm not going to allow him. Just like Kelly says, I'm not going to allow you to be in my child's life and mess up his mental health until he is 18. Then he will decide. That's what Kelly is saying. But I haven't been doing the same thing. But people have been advising me. But for now, protect the child. But how do I protect the child from the father? So between Kelly and Jub, guys, we don't know what's going on. I'm there. I want to be there for my son. Omunye uthi no, akawodli, akayenzi lento lezo. Ubuthi maswithi nangu uyakhala uthi umntwana bamenzi AI. So asazi, guys, let's wait and see. Maybe Ukeli will respond also. But I think court is the solution between these two people. It's only the court, that will decide. So since he is avoiding a court because he says it's a trauma, his traumas. But that trauma, sometimes you need to face it because now you want your child, if you are really, really serious. Guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I love you and appreciate you. Please comment down below and share this video broader and wider so that we can bring more people into our community. And I will see you on my next upload. Bye-bye.